three ports. I have one on my liquid line, I have one on my suction line, and I have one attached to the side of the unit right here. That's my capillary tube for the true suction. That's where our blue gauge gets hooked up. Okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and switch this on. Give it a call for cool. Listen for the noise. Did that click? Mm-hmm. All right, that was switching it to the cool mode. So that's how that what I'm hearing click is the solenoid valve. So now I know that this is energizes and cooling. So when I switch it to heat, we shouldn't hear anything. Thermometer is 99.